you want to start to earn from the currency, and all you have been looking for is a link that you can join so you can start to tap your screen, hoping you will make money at the end or at the promised dates. So how about I actually introduce you guys to a platform where you can mine a free valued coin that has already been in on all exchanges, hoping to go over 100 times soon. So this platform actually make me thousands of dollars. Right here is a free Dogecoin platform that has been on for over a couple of years and have withdrawn over 2,000 plus Dogecoin. And you can actually see this is for free, no charges. All you have to do is to input capture, then you earn. And right here are my withdrawal history. As you can see, I have withdrawn so much for this years. For this couple of years, I have been using this website to make money through Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is already a valued coin that has been on all exchanges. And you can come over to this website here. All you have to do is input capture and you get paid every 60 minutes. Every 60 minutes you come here, you input the capture, you get paid. So right here, you will see the link in my description box actually. So come over here, go over to your wallet, search for Dogecoin. So this is exactly how you sign up on this platform. So go to Dogecoin on any of your digital wallets, go to received button. So on the receive button, you copy your address. So just copy your address, then you go back to this platform, you click on it and you click on select. It will ask you to set up your login password, then you start to earn the free Dogecoin. No any other, and make sure the wallet you are adding does not have any minimum deposit balance, and it is also choose a decentralized wallet, but also make sure the wallet does not have any minimum deposit amounts. Make sure it's a wallet that can receive as much as low of Dogecoin. So right now I'll show you guys my history of how you can how I've earned and how you can also join me in earning thousands of Dogecoin. So right now you see right here I've withdrawn over 2,216 Dogecoin for free. Yes, for free. With nothing, just me putting capture, referring people to this platform and make me so much. So right now let's go and click on get Dogecoin. So if you click on get Dogecoin, all you have to do is just put this security code. You can see right here my earning history stopped at around 2022 due to my own personal actually stop on this platform. But let's see if this work after 2022. So I've clicked on that and it is already rolling. So right now, due to network, you can see right now these have already successfully done, which is why I cannot show you the actually the positive message on my platform. So I click on it again. It said you have already got Dogecoin. Please try after 55 minutes. So every 60 minutes you come here, you input capture, then you get paid Dogecoin. So this is exactly how you can earn. But best way to earn is for you to refer, because you get 100% of referral activity, and this will be done every 60 minutes. So right now, let's go over to the withdrawal page. Let me show you guys my history of withdrawal, and let me withdraw this 3.24, and I will show you guys the payment proof in this video. So checking my any withdrawal history, you can see I've withdrawn a lot from this platform directly to my wallet. You can actually, if you need a proof of this website paying me, I'll show you again that I've already made like a couple of videos on this platform over the years that I've withdrawn on this platform. So now let's go ahead and withdraw my 3.24 Dogecoin. So right now I'm going to just come here and type 3.24. Then you input your security code, the capture code, just like you are inputting when you are earning Dogecoin. So you put the capture correctly. So right now let me put the capture AZY. Okay, then you click on submit withdrawal. So this is actually rolling. You can see right here, check up my last withdrawal history on this platform. So right now this has been also concluded. You can see my withdrawal balance has already been changed to 000 something. So if you go over down here to my withdrawal history, you will see that I have successfully withdrawn. You can check the date, the amount, and completed. That 3.246 has already been withdrawn to my wallet. So coming right here to my wallet right here, I will refer, you can see right here the Dogecoin has already been successfully added 3.246. So I can still go over right here and refresh my page to show you guys that this is actually a real wallet that I've used to withdraw from this platform. So instead of mining what you open to get money from, I would like to mine from this platform that has already, that is valuable, that the coin is already out here doing 10 times, doing 100 times. So you can go ahead and confirm this payment. So guys, if you go over to my channels again, you see I've made couples of videos about this platform that have been making me thousands of naira, and around 2021 I think I actually earned up to 40,000 Dogecoin from this platform. So you can go right here. Then I use over 5 websites to do this. So you can go over right here and see how I've been making a lot of videos on this platform, and this right here will definitely make you money. So you go over to my short videos that I actually make couple of years after I've been using this website. This is just a review video to show you guys how legit this website is. You can see right here I said update. So this is actually after 2 years. You can see after 2 years of using this website to earn Dogecoin. Let's see if they are still paying. Go ahead and watch all this video. All the link will be in the description box, so you can go ahead directly and see. So this website here have made me enough money. So instead of tapping your screen, going over looking for link, you can join with your Telegram channel. Come over to this platform right here, mine with your Dogecoin address, then you make money. So right here is my own proof of payments, and I've make more than this right here because I have more than 2 platform. As long as you have a new Doge address, you can go ahead and sign up on this platform and you mine. So you can mine twice, you can mine 3 times within an hour. So guys, thank you for watching. The link is in the description box, and I will show you guys more ways you can earn money in cryptocurrency.